Hello everyone, welcome to the website Cash Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the great news from Polkadex. Now you can claim the Polkadex crowdloan rewards, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Recently, they have the council motion and vote for the activation of crowdloan rewards for Polkadex parachain slot, and it's passed. So this is good news. Now anyone who participates in the crowdloan, you can claim your rewards. So in order to claim the rewards, you will need to do something. So here I'm going to show you in detail how you can claim your rewards. So watch it till the end of the video. So to claim your rewards, first of all, they have two different ways. The first one is easier. The second one is a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to show you both of them. So the first one is to go through the crowdloan rewards page, and you need to have at least 1.1 Polkadex token in your wallet in order to do that. So this is the important thing you need to be aware of. So for my followers, probably you can contact me in the Discord. So go to their website and claim. So this is easy. I'm not going to show you demo that, but you can simply just claim the button. So the second one is go to the JS and click the Leave network and find the Polkadex here. So after you find it, go to the developer extrinsics and select rewards. The first time you should use initialize claim rewards and use the ID 1 and sign that. So this is going to claim your initial rewards. So if you want to claim more rewards in the future, you can select still rewards and then the claim button here. So this is going to by the way, same as IDs 1 and submit the transaction. So you're going to claim all of your available rewards. So for me, I claim all of my rewards. You can see it here. Most of the rewards I think you can claim right now, and still I have a little bit of them in locked. And go to the network staking, go to the accounts and bind more, because you can stake the Polkadex now. So I'm going to stake them. For those of you, if you don't know how to stake, I have a video actually long time ago how to stake Polkadex Polkadot JS extension. So it's still useful. You can check this video. But if you already stake some, you can follow this one. Just bond more, then you should be good to go. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.